Hello guys, today we are going to see how to integrate a controller to this project. As you can see, we have already integrated routing system to this project. So today we'll see how to integrate the controllers. So before start, let's see the basic concepts of the controller. So basically what we gotta do is in web PHP, in this, when we call the route, we're gonna pass the controller as a class, and that controller will be placed in the app controller folder, which we're gonna create in a minute. Controllers, then in here we have all controllers listed. So when we call that controller, the view render method will call that controller for us, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab what the controller outputs and display to the user accordingly. So let's get started coding. Okay, so first thing is we're gonna start by making one controller. Let's start home controller. Home.php is our home controller. So php, so the namespace will be app/controllers and made typo here. Okay, and we're gonna declare strict types equals to 1 to enforce using type hinting. So okay, then class what home. Okay, so we have our controller. So the first thing we need is to go to our route file and make it support. Now we're gonna support only callable methods. We don't support an array, which means the array will be just like this format. We're gonna have class name, which is fully qualified class name. What by means fully qualified class name is, we don't say home.php home class. We use the full qualifier method, which will be app/controllers/home. So likely, so and the other parameter will be the method we're gonna handle. So let's start, and in here if it's callable, we're gonna call it. So else, or we don't need an else actually. So if it is array, yeah, if it's array, we're gonna pass an action, and if it's array, $class, and we're gonna extract it, method, the method in the class, we're gonna extract it method. Okay, so from action, so what we're gonna do is extract the class and the method from the action. Actually we have method called here, so let's add method 1. So let's call it that way. So then let's check if its class is class. Oh, there is not a class, or class exists. Yeah, plural class. Then we're gonna do else, we're gonna throw an error, which is custom exception, and class not found, which we're gonna create. So let's create this exception. So in exception, custom exception, so function, and this function will be static, and the name will be class not found exception. So returns a new instance of parent class, so static, I made some typos. Okay, class not found, the error message will be class not found. Okay, so let's get back to our run. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna create an instance. So class equals to new class. So we're gonna create new instance. So then we're gonna check method, if the method exists. So method exists the class, we're gonna send him the class in the method 1. So if this method exists, then it is pass, else we're gonna throw new error just like this, which is method not found. Let's create quickly that. Okay, method not found. So okay, then if this is, then we gonna return call user func array. So we're gonna pass that array, the class, and the method, and if there is a parameter, we're gonna pass it. For now we're gonna pass empty array. So it's gonna be our router handling the controller. So now let's check, let's create a class, I mean a method called home. Okay, so which returns simply, oh my god, return simply what, this is home. Oh my god. Okay, so on web, when we go to the root, we're gonna pass home controller, which is the class. This static method gives us the full qualified name of the class. So, and the method will be what, home. Then okay, see, and nothing will pass. Okay, so let's check it. First let's run our project. So php server localhost 2000, which listen to index.php. Okay, nice. Localhost, I think let's see. Okay, bad gateway. Okay, localhost. Yeah, this is all. So it works as expected. So this is it, I think. And the next video we're gonna see about integrating the views